This is the FOLOKE LED Light Therapy Skincare Mask. It comes in a beautiful box, and this is how it looks when you first receive it. Everything you need for the best combination of wavelengths for treatment is in this box. A comfortable silicone eye mask for each eye to give you the best experience possible. A charging cord so that you can use your mask on the go. A remote control that's rechargeable so you can enjoy your professional skincare experience whether you're on the go or at home, whenever and wherever you feel. One end for charging and the other end connects to the mask. A very comfortable headband to keep your hair out of the way. Adjustable straps for the perfect fit. You will love the carry bag with drawstrings. The quick guide card is so user-friendly, and the treatment card is perfect to document your success. The manual is easy to follow and has wonderful illustrations. The mask is made of premium quality material. It fits the contours of the face very nicely, and it provides great comfort for every inch of your skin. It has 72 LEDs and emits different wavelengths for different types of skin. Make sure you take the plastic film off before using it. I give this a definite 2 thumbs up.